Your inbox is about to become a shopping surveillance center, and Google thinks you'll love it. Gmail has just announced a game-changing feature that's either the most convenient update ever or a privacy nightmare in disguise. The email giant is rolling out a dedicated Purchases tab that will automatically segregate every single one of your shopping-related emails into one convenient location. But here's where it gets controversial. This isn't just about organization anymore. The new Purchases tab, which will appear on both mobile devices and web browsers, creates a centralized hub where Gmail will display nothing but your purchase confirmations, shipping notifications, and delivery updates. Think of it as your personal shopping command center, except it's powered by Google's algorithms that are already analyzing every email you receive. This latest addition enhances Gmail's current package tracking capabilities that mobile users have been enjoying, where incoming deliveries expected within the next day automatically appear at the very top of your inbox. The system also generates interactive tracking cards that provide instant summaries of your order status without requiring you to open individual emails. And this is the part most people miss. Gmail isn't stopping there. The company is simultaneously introducing what they call timely deal alerts within the existing promotions section. These notifications will highlight special offers and discounts. But here's the catch. The system determines relevance based on brands you engage with the most. While Google promises users can revert to chronological email sorting whenever they choose, the default most relevant filter essentially means Gmail is now curating your promotional content based on your shopping behavior patterns. The rollout timeline targets personal Gmail account holders and will begin appearing on mobile platforms over the next several weeks before expanding to other devices. Now here's what's really interesting about this development. We're witnessing Gmail transform from a simple email service into a comprehensive shopping assistant that knows your purchasing habits better than you might realize. Every click, every purchase, every abandoned cart is potentially feeding into this system. But is this level of shopping integration actually helpful? Or are we trading privacy for convenience? Some argue that having all purchase information centralized makes financial tracking and warranty management infinitely easier. Others worry about the implications of one company having such detailed insight into consumer spending patterns. What do you think? Is Gmail's new Purchases tab a brilliant productivity tool or an overreach into personal shopping data? Are you comfortable with your email provider knowing exactly what you buy, when you buy it, and from which retailers? Share your thoughts below. I'm genuinely curious whether people see this as helpful organization or digital surveillance disguised as convenience.